A rare! You're such a loser. Rare, rare, rare. Okay, you're a little bit lucky. A rare fanged. Rare card, cool. Epics are pretty sweet, am I right? Rare cards can be really helpful. Epic, like a superhero saving the day. The more packs you open, the more epics you get. An epic card, kick ass! Rare, that's a start. I like rares, don't you? Epic cards make everything better. Epics are pretty sweet, am I right? Rare, keep going, new kid. Huh, a rare. Kinda sweet. Nice, a rare. Whatever, Asamo's the best epic. A rare? Save that for later. Absolutely epic, new kid.